Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Dr. Sonu. Today we're making an herbed goat cheese. Really simple, 3 ingredients only. We need cream cheese, we need chevre or goat cheese. Finally, we need herbs. So these are my own garden herbs. This is a mixture of 2 types of mint. I have lemon mint, orange mint, I have some sage, I have dill, I have some fresh thyme and fresh oregano. And I'll show you my little herb garden. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of these garden fresh herbs, 2 tablespoons of this goat cheese, roughly about 2 ounces of goat cheese, and then finally 2 ounces of cream cheese. My kids love this herb cheese. They love to have it on hard crackers, and so I'll pack it for them for school. So first things first, I'm going to measure out my cheeses. I'm going to take my Philadelphia. I am using the whipped cream cheese, just so this turns out a little bit more airy and not so dense. So if you can find the whipped version, definitely get it. I'm using 2 ounces. So I'm going to take out 2 ounces. If you look here, it's quite spreadable, very nice, and has a lot of moisture in it. I'm going to put in 2 ounces like that. Perfect. Next, I'm going to use 2 ounces of my chevre. Make sure this is room temperature. You don't want to be fighting the cheese. Super soft and pliable. The brand that I'm using is the Vermont Creamery brand. Okay, so this is 4 ounces, so I'm just going to use half of this. In it goes. Wonderful. Finally, I'm going to take my herbs and I'm just going to add them in. In go the herbs. And then I'm going to add some fresh pepper. I'm going to take them and whip them up just together, incorporating both cheeses nice and evenly. Great. And that's it. And if you look at it, it's so pliable, it's light, it's airy, this spreads so nicely. I'm gonna go ahead, put it in my bowl here. This is great on paninis, hard crackers. You can have it with vegetables. Great. Okay. So now, before I try it, I'm just going to take you down and show you my herb garden. Grow your own herbs. It's quite simple. Welcome to my herb garden. So, I am using 6 different herbs. This is my dill right here. Very nice and anisey. I got dill. Here I have some thyme. I have some orange mint right here. This is my lemon mint. Super aromatic. Some wonderful like earthy tones. Really accents that dip. I got some fresh sage leaves here. So this is sage. Smells so good. This will go really well in a pasta too. And then finally, I have some oregano. So this is oregano down here. So I've used just maybe 2 to 3 leaves of each of them in my dip. If you don't have a herb garden, message me. I can help you figure out if you can plant it and how. Very easy. The maintenance is simple. I water this every night. It's growing just fine. I haven't done anything else. Lots of different things you can do with it. All right, time to try our dip. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper. Great. Finally, I love pairing my herb goat cheese with this spread. So this is the Dalmatia brand. This is just a fig spread. It's sweet, fruity. It's got these little seeds in them just for some crunch. I love it with goat cheese. It goes really, really well. And so do my kids. Okay, so I have some sesame rice crackers. Rice crackers pair best with a chevre, or the cheese that we're using. I'm gonna go ahead, put this on. I'm gonna take some of my spread, just a little bit, put it on my cracker, just like that. Doesn't that look fantastic? You can take this for your friends. You can serve it for your kids, for school lunches. Have it with wine. This is perfect before dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. This is fantastic. I love the tang from the goat cheese. I can taste all the herbs. Such an earthy, natural quality. When you grow your own herbs, they definitely taste different than the store-bought ones. This tastes like something from a farmer's market. It's so aromatic, so delicious. Definitely give it a try. If you learned anything from this recipe, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yay! Bye!